Today, we're going to draw a beautiful village scenery step by step. First, let's draw a big tree trunk on the left side of the paper. Draw a smooth curved line from one side of the paper to the other. Now let's add some bushes. Draw lots of small round curves beside the tree. Now draw a big fluffy canopy for the tree. Use lots of curved cloud-like lines all around the top of the trunk. Draw a simple square. Add a sloping roof. Very easy. Now draw another house beside the first one. Make it a little smaller. Add a small window with 4 sections. Draw a door. Again, draw the roof, door, and window. Let's make it a sunny day. Draw a circle in the sky. Add short straight rays around it. Draw 2 or 3 fluffy clouds. Now the sky looks bright and cheerful. Draw a winding road. Now add small grass all around the field. These little details make the drawing look much more beautiful. This makes the scenery look more natural.
We learned drawing today.
Color the roofs with brown and dark brown.
Let's draw a house. Come with me. Take your pencil. 1, 2, 3. Draw a square, nice and slow. That's the house. Now you know. Draw, draw. Let's all draw.
Let's color everything step by step.
Color bright. Have some fun. Drawing time for everyone.
Color the walls with bright yellow. Add a little orange for shading. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe to TumSketch. Comment below and tell me what drawing you'd like to learn next.
We all adore. Windows 2, 1, 2, 3. Look outside and you will see. Draw a sun up in the sky.
Color the leaves using yellows, light green, green, a green.
Maybe a bird or little mouse. Color red or blue or green. Prettiest house you've ever seen. Clap
Blend the
your
colors
hands,
nicely.
shout hooray. We
Bushes,
learned
use
drawing
yellow, green.
today.
Light green.
Let's draw
This drawing
a
is
house.
super easy
Come
and
with
perfect
me.
for kids and
Take your
beginners.
pencil. 1, 2, 3. Draw a square, nice and slow. That's the house.
Green,
Now you know.
a green.
Draw, draw. Let's all draw.
Blend gently.
Make a house we all adore.
Color the
bright.
tree trunk
Have
with
some
light
fun.
brown,
Drawing
brown,
time for
dark brown.
everyone. Add a roof like a hat.
Color the doors dark
Triangle
brown.
on top of that. Draw a door.
Color the
Big and
windows
tall,
sky blue.
open wide.
Clouds.
Welcome
Color the
all.
clouds with
Draw,
light blue.
draw,
Add a little
let's
dark
all
blue
draw.
around the edges.
Make a house
Sun,
we
yellow.
all adore.
Add orange around it.
Windows 2, 1, 2, 3. Look outside and you will see.
Grass.
Draw a
Color the
sun
entire
up in
field
the
with
sky.
light green. Add
Smiling
green in the
bright
middle.
and
Use
shining
dark green
high.
for shadows.
Add a tree beside the house. Maybe
Leave a few white
bird or
highlights.
little mouse. Color
Road.
red or
Color the
blue or
road with
green.
yellow ochre,
Prettiest house
dark
you've ever
brown.
seen.
Sky.
Clap
Color
your
the sky
hands,
with sky
shout
blue.
hooray.
Wow, our
We
beautiful
learned
village scenery drawing is
drawing
finished.
today.
Hello, little artists. Today, we're going to draw a beautiful sailboat scenery step by step. Let's begin. First, let's draw our beautiful sailboat. Draw the boat body, then add the mast, sails, and little flag at the top. Our sailboat is ready to sail. Now, draw a long horizontal line behind the boat. This will separate the land from the water. Next, draw lots of small, fluffy bushes along the horizontal line. Now, let's make the front of our picture more beautiful. Draw some big bushes and grass in the foreground. Let's add some cute little flowers among the grass. Now it's time to add some tall palm trees in the background. Draw their long trunks and leafy tops.
Hear the joyful sound it brings, round and round the ocean wide. Come and take a fun boat ride. Sail, sail, little boat, sail through the wind and tiny trail. Sail, sail, don't be slow. Watch the happy water.
Now it's time to bring our drawing to life with lots of beautiful colors. First, let's color the boat. Use different shades of brown to make the boat look rich and realistic.
Left and right it glides away on a bright and sunny.
Next, color the background bushes. Use different shades of green, light green, and dark green to make them look full and natural. This will give the bushes a beautiful layered effect. Now let's color the land. Use green and brown and mix in a little yellow to give the ground a warm, grassy look. For the foreground bushes, start with yellow, then add a little light green, and finally use deep green in some areas. Now color the sun. Use bright orange in the center and add yellow around it to make it look warm and glowing. Next, let's fill the sky with bright yellow. Use soft, gentle strokes so the whole sky looks sunny and cheerful. For the background trees, use beautiful green shades for the leaves and foliage. Now it's time to color the water. Start with blue, covering the whole water area with horizontal strokes. And now, let's color the sails. Use bright red for the big sail. Color the small sail at the top red too, and add a yellow stripe across it. Finally, add some water shading with different shades of blue. Use darker blue near the boat and lighter blue in other areas. Add small horizontal strokes to create beautiful waves and reflections, and our colorful sailboat scenery is complete. Great job, little artists! Keep drawing and keep creating.
Goodbye.
Hello, little artist. Today we're going to draw a beautiful landscape. First, draw the trees one by one.
Giving shade the whole
Very nice.
green and lovely, fresh and
Draw
bright.
3 simple pine trees with zigzag branches.
In sunlight, standing strong, standing
Then draw the brown tree trunks.
Trees are tall and standing strong. Shade for you, shade for me.
Next, draw the landscape. Make 2 curved lines for the grassy land. Now draw some bushes. Then draw a winding river starting from the mountains and coming to the front of the page. Add a few more small bushes near the river. Now draw the mountains. Draw 1 big mountain and then 2 more mountains behind it.
Holding steady.
Next, draw the sun between the mountains.
Standing
Add snowy lines on the mountaintops.
strong. Trees are tall and standing
Finally, draw a few tiny flowers and a small plant to make the picture look pretty.
green and lovely by the sea.
Now it's time to start
When
coloring.
the sun is hot and high, take your cool beneath
Color the mountains
sky.
with different shades of blue and green.
Then sway along. Every tree belongs in
And add a little
song.
yellow for a bright look. Color the snowy mountaintops with white and light blue.
Good job, little artist.
Standing strong, standing strong. Trees are tall.
Color the sun with yellow, orange, and red.
Shade for you, shade for
Color the trees using yellow, light green, and dark green.
By the sea. Trees are tall and standing strong, giving shade the whole day long. Green and lovely, fresh and bright, swaying softly in sunlight. Standing strong, trees are tall and standing strong. Shade for you, shade for me, green and lovely by the sea. Leaves go dancing in the breeze, rubbing softly through the trees. Roots down deep beneath the ground, holding steady, safe and sound. Standing strong, trees are tall and standing strong. Shade for you,
Color the tree trunks brown.
green and lovely by the sea.
Color the bushes with yellow and different shades of green.
And high, they keep cool beneath the sky.
Great job, little artist.
Up slow, then sway along. Every tree belongs in
Color the
song.
river with different shades of blue. For the land, use yellow.
Standing
Light green and dark green.
strong, trees are
If you enjoyed this drawing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more fun drawing videos.
and lovely.
Blend the colors smoothly using your finger to create a soft effect. Color the sky with a light yellow shade.
Trees are
You did an amazing job.
standing strong, giving shade.
Finally, color the flowers red and orange. And your beautiful landscape drawing is complete. See you next time.
Softly in sunlight.